As someone who's worked on standby generators, like full size, this little Ryobi unit is actually it's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. There's a little spark plug. Fuel filter, fuel pressure regulator. Here's our air box right here. It's actually all serviceable, which is sweet. Oil fill, check. Looks like some type of fuel bleeding system right here down to the bottom. Pretty sweet stuff. Very impressive. Thank you, Ryobi. Yeah, that's why it's super quiet. It's got all these rubber engine mounts integrated. Pretty stoked. There's our inverter. Inverter right there. Inverter board. Parallel connections, ground, fuse, then our load table. I'll show us load. We got some USBs right there. Pretty cool. Auto idle. I actually like the cover on these outlets. They're GFCI.